Rowing through the gears of the 2015 Volkswagen Jetta STDI's 6-speed manual transmission as we roll along the scenic two-laners of Virginia's horse country, we marvel at the fact that we're actually having, fun in a Jetta. Never would we have predicted this back when for the 2011 model year. While it boasted increased space, son of Audi styling, and a more competitive price, the Jetta was soundly criticized for its utter dearth of character, relentlessly cheap-feeling cabin, gruff U and chassis that had regressed into the dark ages with rear drum brakes and a torsion beam, rear suspension. Since then, VW has made incremental and significant improvements to its North American bread butterer, and by 2014, all U.S. market Jettas featured four-wheel disc brakes and an independent rear suspension. Also for 2014, forced the cantankerous 2.5-liter 5-cylinder into retirement. Enter the U with its mid-cycle update that brings new front and rear styling, upgraded interior materials, including at last a soft-touch dash top, and a new EA288 diesel engine in TDI models. Alas, it seems that the Jetta has now become the car Volkswagen should have been building since the beginning. Typically, the most significant aspects of a vehicle's mid-cycle refresh are revised lighting and fascia elements, but in the 2015 Jetta's case, these are arguably the least interesting of its updates. A new grille emphasizes the car's width, as does the new rear bumper, while new headlamps offer more widely available LED daytime running lights and the tail lamps evoke its Audi brand cousins. And for the first time, even the least expensive Jetta rides on aluminum wheels. To what extent the revisions improve the Jetta's looks is up to the observer, but arguably it has become ever harder to tell the difference between the